First, click the YouTube icon, then the video icon on top, and then just wait for your videos to show up. For this moment, I will choose the shortest video I have. It's my intro. And I'll make a title, intro. Then be sure that the privacy is set on private. You can also set this as unlisted, but I preferred to set on private. Then when everything is up, time to upload. After the video was uploaded, next thing to do is go to your YouTube studio. As YouTube directed you to the desktop website, just click the three lines on the upper left, then click the My Channel. Now in your channel site, just look for the word Video Manager. As you can see it, then click that thing. For me, I consider Video Premiere is more fun and exciting than uploading normally your video. Here in the visibility, you will notice that the video is still on private. And now it's time for me to schedule my premiere. Okay, here's the tools. I will click this pencil. I don't have any description. Just click this. No, it's not made for kids. Click private. Click scheduled. Then you can choose any schedule you desire. I choose May 8, 2020. Then 3 o'clock a.m. Then set as premiere. Don't forget, guys, to set as premiere. Then click done. After that, click save. Don't forget to click the save blue button, guys. And now that's it.
If it takes me until